Brian spoke about when he purchased the wild whistle, how it ignited his passion for playing the whistle again.
Yeah, I suppose just the raw sound of the wild Irish whistle is very special. It always kind of captures me as a very earthy and grounded, beautiful sound, but still it's crisp and clear. It has some lovely characteristics about it.
You become enthralled by all of the possibilities and by his knowledge of Irish music. And of course, listening to all of his experience in the studio recording. An exceptional musician.
Of course, every instrument I pick up after so many years of recording, you kind of immediately think, what kind of sound will I achieve with this instrument in a recording studio situation?
Our discussion quickly moved on to, and with the wild whistle, how he thought he could achieve something really special.
And then, Paraic spoke to me about the possibility of recording maybe a full album just using the different keys of the wild Irish whistle.
I know, and he knows, that he has the ability to create one of the best traditional Irish music albums of all time. And so that's exactly what I challenged him to do.
And let's just see how great a sound we can get from the whistles. And yeah, I'm fairly certain it will lead to a really, really nice whistle album.
The more we talked about it, the more it made sense. And Brian has all these wonderful ideas of how he's going to go about it.
To bring in some of the really fantastic musicians that I've played with over the years and to work with them on different tracks in the studio and try and produce something a little bit special in the whistle world. And yeah, I'm fairly certain it will lead to a really, really nice whistle album.